Alright y'all, thanks for clicking on another video. We are out on the kayak today. We're gonna do some ultralight fishing and see what we get into. We're actually gonna do some junk fishing. I got a bunch of rods behind me, so we'll see what we get on. But target is ultralight fishing today. I drove all the way here. Got everything rigged up and ready. And what do I forget? Probably one of the most important things to bring, the paddle. You'd think I would have remembered the paddle by now. So I had to go all the way back home. Luckily, I'm not that far from my house, but still, what a pain in the butt. I had to go all the way back home just to get my paddle because I forgot it like a total dingus. All right, not perfect, but it'll do. Is that a snag? Yep, already got snagged. Come on, let's go get unsnagged. How did I toss it that quickly into a snag is the question. Come on. Come on. I'm just gonna, oh cool, I got off. Not before I freaking go into this tree and get completely re-snagged again. Let's get off. Boy, the Struggle Bus 3000 is in full effect today. Get a fish in the boat. Another snag? Yep, definitely another snag. It's a dang stick. I see the stick right here. This is what I was stuck on. Goodness, I hooked into the stick faster than I don't know what. Got one. Got one. Got one. Got one. Man, what is this? Oh yeah, baby. Crappie. Oh, don't come out. Don't come out the boat. Don't come out the boat. Look at this little guy. Oop, that just came right out of his mouth. Yeah, buddy. Look at that crappie. Nice. Got a crappie. No skunk in the boat today. No skunk in the boat. There he goes. Caught him on the Mule Minnow. There's one crappie, that means there might be more. It'd be great to get a few. Getting a little marks over here, so I'm gonna cast it out. We got one. Got another crappie. Another big mouth crappie. Oh, the Mule Minnow. Yeah, buddy. Look at that guy. Boom. Another one. Beautiful, right in the schnoz. Can you see that? Bang. Crappie number 2. Beautiful guy. Oh, I think this might actually be a snag. Yep, that's a snag. Let's go. Oh gosh, he's really stuck. Oh, I broke off. Gosh darn it. Oh, come on. Oh, gosh, I broke off. Oh gosh, another snag? What did I get snagged on here? Goodness. I'm so sick of these snags, man. Alright, we're gonna try not to lose this one. Oh, look. Whoa, there it is. Let's see if I can grab my mule jig back without falling in the water. Or losing this one. No! I unhooked it, but it fell down into the water. Darn it. Alright, let's try and get this one back. There we go. Gotta retie again. Oh. Got one. Ooh, oh, he spit it. Got one. Not letting this one go this time. Ooh, he's jumping. Ooh, he's jumping. Oh, look at this one. This one's a dark crappie. Look at him. Another crappie boy. Right here. This one's dark. Another one. Oh, he spit it. Got another one. Yeah, buddy. Oh, this is a tiny little guy. Look at this little crappie. Ooh. Look at this little guy. Got one. Got one. Got another one on the Mule Minnow. Woo! Oh yeah, another one. Oh, that one just popped right out. See you later, buddy. Got one. Yep, got one. Ooh. There we go. Nope. Nope. Don't get wrapped. Don't get wrapped. Don't get wrapped. Yeah, nice, beautiful dog. This old paper mouth. Another one. Another one. Yeah, buddy. That guy, the other one was blue. This guy is really, really pale. This one might be a white crappie. Another one. There we go. There we go. This is a fatty. Little guy, but he's a fatty. Oh, he swallowed that one. Got it. Now we'll measure this guy. Ooh. Hey man, I'm gonna need you to chill, okay? I'm gonna get you out of here, but you gotta calm yourself, okay? Let's calm down a little bit. Let's be best buds, all right? Here you go, bye. So we got into a ton of crappie. I honestly lost count. I didn't think we would get into that many. That Mule Minnow is so much fun to fish. They obviously catch a lot of crappie, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.